Money is an integral part of our lives, serving as a means of exchange and impacting our day-to-day existence. From meeting basic needs like food and shelter to accessing a wide range of goods and services, money plays a vital role in our survival. It is natural for concerns about money to weigh heavily on our minds. However, by implementing simple changes and adopting disciplined practices, it is possible to alleviate these worries and achieve financial security. So in this video, we'll talk about low financial security causes anxiety. Here's how to fix it. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. One of the fundamental aspects of overcoming money worries is developing a compassionate mindset towards oneself. It is a common tendency for individuals to internalize their financial problems and place blames upon themselves. This self-blame often leads to feelings of guilt, shame, and a sense of personal failure. However, it is important to recognize that financial difficulties can arise due to a variety of factors, many of which are beyond our control. Unforeseen circumstances such as medical emergencies, job loss, or natural disasters can significantly impact our financial stability. These events are often unexpected and can leave us feeling helpless and overwhelmed. It is essential to remind ourselves that we are not alone in facing such challenges and that they are a natural part of our lives. Rather than dwelling on past mistakes or wallowing in self-blame, it is crucial to take a step back and assess our situation objectively. This involves analyzing our financial circumstances, identifying the root causes of our problems, and considering potential solutions. By shifting our focus from self-blame to problem-solving, we can develop a more constructive mindset that allows us to move forward. Building self-confidence and determination is another key aspect of overcoming money worries. Believing in our ability to make positive changes and overcome financial obstacles is essential. It is important to understand that financial recovery takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and approach, it is achievable. Developing a compassionate mindset also involves practicing self-compassion. It means treating ourselves with kindness, understanding, and forgiveness. Instead of beating ourselves up for past financial mistakes, we should offer ourselves empathy and support. Recognizing that everyone makes financial missteps and that we can learn from them is a crucial part of personal growth and resilience. Having a reliable source of income is also paramount for financial stability. If income is lacking, it becomes crucial to explore opportunities for acquiring new sources of income. Job seekers can leverage their expertise and educational background to seek employment within their field, utilizing personal networks and connections to maximize their chances. Additionally, investing in knowledge and skills through relevant courses can enhance one's employability. Alternatively, individuals may choose to venture into entrepreneurship. By identifying passions, hobbies, or skills that can be monetized, individuals can start small businesses that align with their interests. These small-scale startups, such as delivery services or home-based enterprises, provide accessible entry points into entrepreneurship. Regardless of the chosen path though, initiating a source of income requires dedication, perseverance, and the willingness to put in the effort necessary. You should also consider creating a comprehensive financial plan, since it is essential for effective money management. Without proper budgeting and clear money goals, resources can easily be misallocated. Keeping track of income and expenses, recording expenditures, and evaluating their worthiness are fundamental steps towards achieving financial stability. Identifying necessary expenses while curbing wasteful or unnecessary spending is key. By setting realistic goals and allocating a portion of income towards savings and investments, individuals can secure their long-term financial well-being. Building an emergency fund is also crucial to handle unexpected expenses and safeguard against financial setbacks. For individuals prone to impulsive spending, adhering to a disciplined plan becomes even more critical. It is important to periodically review and adjust money goals to assess progress and eliminate unnecessary expenditures. Cultivating financial discipline involves making mindful choices about spending, avoiding unnecessary debt, and prioritizing savings. It is essential to recognize that spending more than what you earn often leads to financial problems and hampers your progress towards financial security. By embracing the principle of living within one's means, individuals regain control over their finances. They experience increased confidence and alleviate their money worries. Money management encompasses various aspects that contribute to our financial well-being. In addition to the previous points discussed, there are additional considerations that can help us navigate the path of financial security. One crucial aspect to evaluate is whether we truly need a credit card. While credit cards can offer rewards and convenient purchasing power, they also come with potential risk. It's important to assess our level of discipline and determine if we can manage a credit card responsibly. If we find ourselves prone to overspending or accumulating debt, it might be wise to reconsider acquiring a credit card, especially if we are in the process of recovering from financial setbacks. By being mindful of our financial habits and making informed choices, we can avoid unnecessary financial stress. Saving money is another essential component of achieving financial security. Instead of spending all of our income, setting aside funds for emergencies and future needs provides a safety net. Exploring saving accounts, investment options, and reputable financial institutions can help us maximize our saving growth potential. Additionally, seeking multiple streams of income through employment or entrepreneurial endeavors can bolster our financial stability and contribute to long-term wealth accumulation. By adopting a disciplined approach to saving, we can align our financial goals and aspirations with tangible strategies that lead to lasting security. Okay, we're about halfway through this video, so I'd like you to help me out in some way. Immediately pause this video and do me a huge favor by clicking like, and if you are new, kindly click subscribe. If you did, you're great, and we really appreciate your help. Rest assured, we'll bring you more videos that will help you thrive wisely. And going back, looking ahead to retirement is a key consideration in our financial planning. Starting to save for retirement as early as possible is highly advantageous. The power of compounding interest over time can have a profound impact on the growth of your retirement savings. By making consistent contributions and exploring retirement schemes and investment options specifically designed for long-term financial security, we can ensure that our retirement years are worry-free. Engaging with reputable financial advisors can provide valuable insights and guidance in navigating the complex landscape of retirement planning. Proactive planning for retirement not only ensures our financial well-being, but also empowers us to pursue our passions and enjoy the fruits of our labor during our golden years. When it comes to financial security, it is crucial to shift our focus towards what we can control. Life is inherently unpredictable, and there are certain aspects that are beyond our influence. While it may be challenging to plan for unforeseen events such as accidents or natural disasters, there are still financial aspects within our purview that we can exert control over. One of the key elements of taking control of our finances is understanding our income sources. By having a clear picture of how much money we can earn and where it comes from, we can make informed decisions over our financial priorities. This knowledge allows us to allocate our resources effectively and ensure that we are maximizing our income potential. Equally important is gaining a comprehensive understanding of your expenses. By carefully tracking and categorizing your expenses, we can identify areas where we may be overspending or wasting money. This awareness enables us to make conscious choices about our spending habits and adjust them accordingly. It empowers us to differentiate between essential and non-essential expenses, allowing us to prioritize our financial resources and reduce unnecessary financial stress. In addition to income and expenses, staying on top of payment deadlines is essential for maintaining financial control. Late payments can lead to penalties, fees, and a negative impact on our credit score. By keeping a clear record of payment due dates and proactively managing our bills, we can avoid unnecessary financial burdens. This sense of control over our financial obligations alleviates stress and ensures that our financial responsibilities are met in a timely manner. Maintaining organized financial records and information also plays a vital role in managing our finances effectively. By keeping track of receipts, invoices, and financial statements, we can gain a comprehensive overview of our financial situation. This record-keeping practice helps us identify patterns, monitor our progress towards financial goals, and make necessary adjustments to our spending and saving habits. It serves as a reference point for making informed financial decisions and provides a sense of clarity and control over our financial well-being. By focusing on what we can control in our financial lives, we cultivate a sense of empowerment and reduce unnecessary worries. While we cannot predict or prevent all financial challenges, we can proactively manage the aspects within our reach. Understanding our income, tracking our expenses, and staying on top of payment deadlines allows us to take charge of our financial situation. Moreover, maintaining organized financial records provides us with valuable information to make informed decisions and adapt to the changing circumstances. During times of financial stress, seeking guidance from a mentor or professional can be immensely helpful. Mentors, whether they are financial advisors or individuals with experience in overcoming similar challenges, can provide valuable insights and support. They have likely encountered various financial stressors and can share their knowledge and strategies to help us navigate our own situations. Additionally, health professionals can offer guidance on managing stress and anxiety based on financial difficulties. It is essential to remember that we are not alone in facing financial worries, and that there are resources available to assist us in moving forward. Taking charge of our lives and refusing to succumb to defeat or negative circumstances is crucial. While financial worries may weigh us down, it is important to remain focused and determined in our pursuit of financial security. By planning ahead, setting achievable goals, and adapting our strategies to suit our unique financial circumstances, we can create a sense of stability and security. It is worth noting that everyone experiences financial worry at some point of our lives. However, by adopting a proactive mindset and seeking support when needed, we can overcome these challenges and work towards a more secure financial future. In conclusion, prioritizing what we can control, such as managing our income, expenses, and bills, allows us to maintain a sense of stability in our financial lives. Seeking guidance from mentors or professionals and refusing to succumb to financial stress and worry empowers us to take charge and overcome challenges. Remember, financial worries are a common part of life, but with determination, planning, and support, we can navigate these obstacles and build a foundation of financial security. Well, that's basically the low financial security causes anxiety. Here's how to fix it. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.